Hiya folks, JD here, and today we've got this. This is the HTRC B6 Mini V2. Now, I've had one of these for quite a while. I've used it a hell of a lot. The fan started to break, so because this is a very important bit of kit, rather than fix it, I went out and I bought a new one. So, let's have a little look and see what we've got. Manual, balance charger, and charging cables. Right, that's everything. Nothing more in there. Perfect. Let's put that to one side. That sounds good. And then let's have a little look at this balance charger. So, right, finding a good balance charger is very difficult. It must have been, I don't know, a year or so ago. No, even longer, probably a year and a half ago. Bought a fair few, tested a few, sent a few back. This was one of the ones that I liked. One, because it's small. Two, because it's very compact and the fan isn't very loud. Three, because it charges battery in a very timely manner, as well as it discharges batteries as well. So you can really get those cells and those batteries working like a human muscle and have them properly holding charge within no time. Now, this particular balance charger uses you can use loads of different batteries on this. Now, before we get into the different types you can use, let's have a little look at the interface. So you have your charging lights up here, charging and discharging lights. When it's charging, it charges from left to right. You have your little arrows at the top there to show you which way. You have your interface screen. You have your battery type. So by clicking this, it'll roll through all the different batteries that you can charge. You have to choose the right battery before you charge that particular battery. So if you're after LiPo, say like a 2S battery, then choose LiPo and then you can start to charge. So you've got decline and increase as well, batteries and battery status, and you've also got start and enter as well. On the side, you've got your outputs and you've got your balance sockets here. So you've got your balance sockets for all the different types of charger or all the different types of battery ports there, and you've also got the output, because you have to have the output plugged in as well as the balance ports for the battery to properly balance and properly charge. Well, properly. Over the other side, we have a DC power socket. Now, there's no power brick with this particular included in this package. You have got to buy it separately. And then you've got PC link here and your temperature jumpers underneath there. And, of course, your fan. On the underside, you've just got your feet, and that's pretty much it. Now, when it comes to charging, say you've got a load of different batteries you can use with this. You can use NiCad, LiPo, you can use LIFE, LIHV, Lion, loads of different ones, PB, lead acid, smart batteries as well. There are so many different types you can use. 9 out of 10 times for us in this particular hobby, we're either going to be using LiPoly or we're going to be using, LiPo, or we're going to be using NiCad now and again, some of the really old stuff. So what I can do is I can show you what to do. So a very easy thing for you to start off with is you have to first of all get the particular plug that you are after. For both these batteries on this bench, they're both Dean's T-plug connector, so I should be good with that. So you just color code the output, so red to red, black to black. You get your this particular battery. My 2S here is 3-pin, and my 3S here is 4-pin. So if I was to plug in the 2S, I literally just find the 3-pin, plug it in as easy as that, connect the Dean's connector, and then you're ready to start charging, and everything should work as easy as that. Very important, please do not, if you're new to this, I would 100% recommend that wherever you are charging this battery, you are in that room with this battery when it's charging. Now, that's very important for a couple of reasons. If this battery does start to degrade, does start to melt, and either the battery or the wires do start to ignite, if you're not in that room with it, this thing is going to go up really quickly and, well, devastate your home. So I would recommend wherever you are in your house, if you are charging and if you're going to be downstairs, you take this downstairs and you charge it downstairs with you. I do not leave any batteries unattended. Every single battery I plug in and I sit in the same room until the battery is 100% charged. Okay, a couple more specifications about this. Charge power is 70 watts maximum. Discharge power is 5 watts. Balancing current is 400 milliamp. USB output, it doesn't have it, as we went through. Sub-functions are digital power balance and an IR test as well. Language, it's only in English. External temp socket, you can use the Futaba 3P. Memory, 10 memory inputs on this as well, so you can have 10 different memory settings for 10 different particular type of batteries as well. You've got smart batteries 1, 2 and 3, as I said a little bit earlier. The weight is 220 grams. Aluminium heatsink on the side. It is its own heatsink. It is really nice, really sturdy, well, really good quality build, I think. And as this is my second one, I'm talking from a little bit of experience. And then the smart battery, you can have 5 to 25 volt, 0.1 to 7 amps charging off this. So it's a really good versatile bit of kit. Now, if you did need to read the manual, I recommend that you do. You have English to the front, and then you have... Oh, no, this is just a purely English manual. Inside here, it tells you how to use the interface, how to program lead-acid batteries, how to program all the different types should be in here as well. There we are. NiCad, LiPo. So read this and understand it. It give you very good information on how to get your batteries up and charging, and also gives you some error information as well. So have a read of it. It's very, very worthwhile doing so. And how to save your presets in memory there. So that is the manual. That is the balance charger. You do get these cables with it, but I would recommend that you go and grab some more cables. They're not expensive, and it's good to have a couple of spares. Now, as this is my second, I've already got all these cables ready, so it's nice to have a nice lot of double ups there, just in case I need them. Alright then, folks, well, I'm going to go off and charge these two batteries. I hope you've enjoyed. Thanks ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy charging.